We're down at Vosper's, Plymouth. Very rare car in stock. This is a Raptor V6 petrol, finished in Conqueror grey. 292 horsepower. This one's also fitted with Raptor pack. So that gives you the rollover bar here. It also gives you a power shutter. So in here we've got the shutter. Got mats and the tow bar in behind in the bed there. Big old bed. Just over 600 kilos of capacity. Being the petrol, it has Fox racing suspension, which gives you fantastic articulation and performance. So it has Raptor pack, also has technology pack 93. I said Conqueror grey earlier, it's not Conqueror grey, it's Command grey. It begins with C. Technology pack 93. We'll come back to that because there's a whole host of little bits that come with that. And if I'm honest, I can't remember them all. Loads of space back here, 5-seat vehicle. Charging in the back there. You might be able to see that. A couple of USBs, USB-C and a USB, and 230 volt as well. Coming to the front, electric seats as you'd expect for a car of this sort of stature, full performance racing seats, see electric windows and the like, a whole digital dashboard. Some really nice little graphics in it. The infotainment screen. A little bit of radio going on, but press home there. You can come through to things like radio, obviously phone connections, navigation, media. Car's got wireless CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You can see the buttons there. You've got the owner's manual digitally. And of course the car is set up with a towing capacity as well. Literally push the towing there. The car's going to say I've not got a hitch added to me, so but then we can come into checklist, making sure we've got everything as we should have, which is all useful stuff. Trailer sway control, it's really cool. Zoned lighting, so we can actually move light around the vehicle. Talking of which, whilst I think about it, a whole host of additional auxiliary switches up here. So if you wanted to put light bars and the like on the vehicle, coming into settings there, we can change a whole load of information. My phone's not a lot of point looking at that, but driver assistance, yeah, quite a list of what you can do looking at the vehicle. This is obviously all adjustments you can do. Classic one there, quiet start. Obviously it's there's a little bit of a noise when it starts. We'll show you that in a second. But yeah, really simple to use. You've got all the cameras that you'd expect to be able to see what's going on around you. Let's go back to navigation. Really simple to use. Of course, with having CarPlay and Android Auto as well, just makes it so much easier. So that's with it being the Raptor, of course, with the Fox suspension, you've also got what they affectionately call Baha mode, which allows you to adjust suspension settings, and you can actually, through the steering wheel, change exhaust settings, suspension settings and steering settings as well. And then you've got Raptor mode, which just basically turns it into full beams, all with paddle shift, of course. Let's just fire her up. Put it into Raptor, so we'll come down to exhaust. So exhaust is in normal, and go into sport, makes it a slightly deeper sound. And we can do changing things like suspension, normal, sport, off-road. And the steering can be normal, comfort and sport. That then just makes it heavier. So it's going to get a little blip on the throttle. That's in sport mode. Actually I really like that, so we're going to do that again. A bit harder. Lovely. So, all available down here in Plymouth, immediate delivery.